We're just going to go through the shutdown and startup process of the CDC6. So to shut the console down, we press the power button. The console is now asking me, do I want to shut the console down, or have I pressed the button by mistake? Do I want to restart the control computer, or do I wish I hadn't pressed that button at all? So all three options are now available on the screen. If I choose yes, the console will shut down. If I choose restart, the console will restart the control computer while maintaining the audio. So this is something you can do without interrupting the audio. And if I choose no, the console will return to the previous operating screen. So we're now going to perform a console shutdown. We're now going to go through the startup procedure. So we've connected the console to the power supply, press the power button, and the console will now boot up. During the boot up process, we can interrupt the boot up to make some changes to the way the console is configured. So if I interrupt the boot up process at this point, I've got a number of setup options here. First of all, I need to configure the console depending upon how I'm using it with the available remote I/O options. If I'm using the console with a router, the router will then be the master clock for the system. So I need to tell the console here to slave to the external Megacomms clock and to either be the gain master or gain slave, depending upon how many consoles I'm using in conjunction with the router and which one of those consoles I want to be gain master. In this instance, I'm just using the console with a single MADI device, so I would choose direct console mode. Also, I have a button down here labeled Bridge Server, and I would enable the Bridge Server if I'm intending to control the console remotely, either from an iPad via a wireless access point, or control the console remotely from SAM automation software running on a PC.